Dahil napagod kami kakaikot dito sa People's Park dito sa San Carlos City, Negros Occidental, we decided to have our early dinner dito sa Mr. C located at Araneta Street dito sa San Carlos City. This is a small restaurant na malapit lang sa People's Park dito sa San Carlos, and they offered a lot of dishes mula sa appetizer hanggang dessert. If you think cakes lang yung offer nila para sa dessert, nagkakamali ka. They even have breads, they also had croissant, donuts, at masarap din yung kanilang mais con yelo at halo-halo. It's not our first time na kumain dito sa Mr. C. We also tried their outdoor restaurant malapit sa kanilang government center. So this is what we ordered. Kape para sa asawa ko, then chocolate croissant para sa anak. House blend iced tea for me. My husband ordered this back ribs na napaka-flavorful at napaka-juicy yung inside. It was perfectly paired with Java rice. We also tried the paella rice kung saan kaka-offer lang nila nito, and it is good for 2 persons. Mabubusog ka talaga at napakaraming sahog, kaya nga gusto-gusto rin ng anak ko. So as you can see, my son enjoys his mango shake kahit yung mangga pinapapak. So I recommend you to try this place, 10 out of 10.